I hadn't really gone any other place, so it was like honestly a very like intimidating situation, but it was honestly so good. Like my host dad was amazing, and like the people that I met here, it made it so smooth and so nice.
Went to Berlin for that big New Year's Eve party, came home, got super drunk. We don't know how we ended up at the pub, but we did, and we came home right in time for the bus to Kassel. Yeah. Came home to a really nice cooked meal, went straight to bed.
Yeah, I had a very German experience at my homestay as well. Pretty much bread, cheese and meat for breakfast and dinner.
Germans eat a lot of potatoes.
We had like the very special German breakfast, which is like bread with raw pork. Yeah, it was pretty intense.
Barbara, my host mom, she is obsessed with Buddhas. My room alone had 15 Buddha statues and portraits in the room. Like, I'm Buddhist, and then just go into a room in Germany to see like Buddhas in their house. I'm like, what is that? How is that even possible?
Hello, I'm Peter and I'm the guest brother.
Hello, I'm Annika and I'm the guest sister.
I was a bit worried about what the host family thing would be like, but it was very lovely. They're very sweet. I had a lot of fun. We went to jiu-jitsu the other night together, which was really fun.
She's very cute.
We are guest parents since 6 years. Yeah, nice guys.
It felt like I just went into my grandparents' house. We knew them instantly and you loved them instantly.
German dancing is so much fun. It literally was almost like a game. Like it was literally, I don't know, I loved it. So I was the girl for half of it, and then he was the girl for the other half, and we were partners dancing during I don't remember. There was like
yeah. Wait, how? Wait,
Oh yeah, there you go.
I was like dancing.
It was like,
yeah.
And right in the new year at the Brandenburg Gates, that's gonna be a story I tell my kids in 20 years.
Seeing these huge stone buildings and sculptures was just probably the most amazing thing.
Especially both while studying the culture and history class, we got to see, learn about them, and then have our professor Felix take us to the museums and explain everything. So it was like learning kind of seeing what we learned in class.
I just, there's a lot of people here and from a lot of different places, and just different relationships take place. And it's really nice and interesting, kind of cute watching it all happen, even if it is for a little bit, just different people kind of meeting different people.
Yeah, I agree.
I met Australians, I met Chinese, like it honestly, and like Germans also, yeah, obviously Germans.
Oh, the staff here, I have to say, they're absolutely incredible people. They always had a smile on their faces. I was one of the people who had to use insurance that they gave us. I had a really bad pain in my mouth, hence why I got a swollen face, is because I got my wisdom tooth removed here in Germany. They called all the dentists around town, they drove me where I needed to get to, just make sure I was okay. So I think like the staff need a real, a big thank you from all of us.
Honestly, like it was super cool just to kind of like see all the cultures and stuff like that, and kind of like see how everyone talks about like their, like where they come from and like their perceptions of like the world and stuff like that, and kind of understand everybody else's different points of view.
My issue is winter classes, they either go very, very smoothly or everything goes wrong. And seeing that the vast majority of the classes everyone took, everyone passed, so you can assume it went very smoothly.